Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am so excited about. I'm going to be sharing how I spruced up this little boring corner with some tree branch decor. Yes, I brought a huge branch into my house. I'm going to show you the process and how I did it. It turned out so pretty and perfect and just in time for the holidays. So let's jump in. So this idea originally came about because we had some kind of dead limbs hanging from our trees. They were about to fall. We had to get rid of them anyway. So once we got those trimmed up, I just saw an opportunity. I thought these branches were just so pretty. Now these branches came off of a birch tree, which I love the birch trees so much. They're really pretty. I did go in with some pruners and prune off some of the limbs. I left quite a bit on there. I made sure that I took all of the leaves off, and I did this outside, of course. I wanted to make sure that we didn't bring any bugs into the house, so I really inspected this limb, made sure that there was nothing inside. Then I took some Rust-Oleum clear matte spray and really just doused this whole limb in a clear coat. Then I left it outside to dry and kind of settle for about 2 days. Because this limb is so big, I wanted to make sure that it didn't move around. If you were going to use smaller limbs, you probably wouldn't have to go this extreme. With smaller limbs, you might be able to get away with like using rocks or gravel or some type of thing like that to hold it in place. However, I did not want this limb moving around a lot, so I cemented mine into just a little cheap pot that I found at Ace. And just a little future warning, if you use the quick dry cement, it does dry really quick. So hence my problem getting this limb in there. I had to get a little shovel and dig out a little hole to help that. Once I got the limb in there, I added just a little bit of extra concrete to the top just to help it stay upright, and then I propped the tree up kind of exactly where I wanted it and making sure it was nice and straight, and it was actually being held up kind of like by the wall, but it dried perfectly straight. So this is kind of where the fun part happened. I don't know if you guys remember this pot from several weeks ago. I did a thrift with me video. This pot was so gorgeous, but they wanted $80 for it. That video is linked there. But you guys, I was still thinking about it. I called and got it for $40. It was still there. It's big. It's a ceramic type pot and it has like a glaze on it. And these types of pots for this size, it probably weighs close to 200 pounds, can go into the hundreds, like several hundreds of dollars. So I thought $40 was a steal. So I decided I would do the dirt and spray paint technique on it. I just used dirt from my backyard, and I have that full tutorial linked here if you guys haven't seen that yet, but I use this technique a lot on DIYs for pots and lamps, and it's just a very simple technique of alternating spray paint and then dirt and then clear coat, and you can literally just do layer after layer after layer to get that texture and that kind of old world feel on this pot, or really anything that you want to apply it on. So once we were done, and it does look a little spotty, so I had to go back and fix it, but because our ceilings are so tall, I wanted this tree to look really tall inside. So I put this 5-gallon paint bucket inside just to give it some height, and then we put the tree on top of that bucket. And all of this stuff is so heavy, it is not gonna go anywhere, but it gave it that height that I wanted, and it just looked so pretty. And now I had to fix that pot. So I just took some flat black paint on like a foam roller and just kind of rolled over just a few of the spots that were really spotty, and that really helped. Then I filled the pot with a ton of recyclable bags and packaging materials and just really filled it all in so that I could put moss over the top. And these were just moss packages that I had on hand. I've used these for various DIYs in the past, and they look really cute all mixed in together. I also will be linking all of these products below so you guys can see everything that I used in the description box below. And this moss is so easy to use. I literally just like placed it on top. It's not glued down or anything. It just lays so nice, and it covers that battery pack, and I can lift it if I want to take the battery pack up or switch the batteries. The moss is just really easy to place right on top. So I did put some little fairy lights on this tree. I wanted it to be nice and lit up for the holidays, and I just thought the lights would be the perfect touch. And these lights are so nice because they come with a little battery pack, and I picked up 3 boxes at Target. They happen to be on sale for about $8 a box. They come with a battery pack, and you can connect up to 3 light strings, so you don't have, you know, big battery packs hanging down. They don't have to be plugged in. They are a little tedious to get around the branches, but I was able to pull it off, and they just bring the cutest little sparkle to the living room without anything being like overdone, and they're just so festive. I love it. And this is a closer shot of what the pot turned out looking like. I like it a lot more of that flat black color with just a little bit of brown. And the tree overall looks so pretty. It was exactly what that little corner needed, and it doesn't compete with our Christmas tree. It just gives that corner a little bit more character and really draws your eyes up because of the height. And then at night, it is so fun to have those little lights on, and like I said, it's not overly done. We just added a little bit of twinkle in there, and it's just so pretty, and the kids love having the big tree in the living room too. So I hope this video inspires you to try a new little DIY, or at least have fun watching mine. And with that, I will catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment below and say hi. Thank you guys again for watching, and we'll catch you next time.